Welcome back, everybody. My name is Angelica Torres. I'm a developer advocate here at Retool, and today we'll be talking about how to best assemble your UI. Moving on, we have the special input, and this is one of my favorites just because we have the LLM chat. And if I drag and drop it in here, you can see that it has already created a query, which is pretty awesome. Just because I can actually just chat. So let's say, hi, my name is Angelica. What is yours? And it has already detected that I'm the user in what minute did I actually send this information in. And it masks the model that is being used. And this, again, can be white label later on. You can also delete the conversation, you can copy it, or you can download it. Now, if I go over here in the query window, you can actually switch which model you want to interact with. And this could be something that is keys that we provided for you, or any of the models that you have keys with that you attach to, and you can connect that to this chat. Let's say I want to do DeepSeek, and then I can even change like the system prompt. I can change this to be like, I'm 1.5 is temperature. It automatically connects. This is like a data injection. So it automatically connects that the component is called the LLM Chat 1. And my last message is whatever I sent through, in the same way that you have the message history. And it turns green to let you know that this information is being compiled. Again, Retool AI has a lot of other actions, so I invite you to check them out. So thank you so much for watching. In this video, you learned how to best assemble your UI. However, if you feel that you want more labs, videos, or written form, then I'll invite you to check out our Retool University space, which is pretty great at that. But if you want to start exploring or sharing and connecting with other builders, then I'll recommend that you go into our community forum where you can talk to other individuals and check out the projects that they're making. So for now, that's it, but I'll see you next time.